From an exceptional and inspiring skincare line comes this innovative cream that will leave your skin looking better than ever. With gold to add warmth and glow to the skin. Liposome Complex, Vitamin A and D, the best antioxidant in the world. Liposome Complex Vitamin Musk Rose for increasing elasticity to the skin. Liposome Complex Aloe Vera to foster growth of healthy skin. Take a look at the unique benefits it offers. Apply in circular movements to enjoy stunning results. Other women loved it, giving it a total of 5 out of 5 rating. A unique rare blend of luxurious actives sourced from around the world. Shop now.